For me personally, success means being able to come to a job and being able to make a difference on a daily basis. Whether it's in somebody's life, whether it's personally with somebody, I'd rather see somebody succeed and somebody move on and, somebody move to the next level. My success is watching other people succeed. My name is Keith Wenger, and my role here at Quakertown is process specialist. I grew up in Lancaster County, never got a degree, and started in the construction industry. About 14 years ago is when we started the R&D phase of stone facade. And from then on, we spent a lot of time in formulation, and we spent a lot of time developing the processes. I've been involved with this project from the beginning of time. And now to work at Certainteed, it's a learning curve beyond learning curve for the corporate world. No 2 days are the same here. I'd rather be on the floor interacting, solving problems, helping people figure things out. I think soft skills are needed. To be on the floor, just a willingness to learn, patience. You have to be able to understand a safety culture, specifically within Certainteed. For myself, it was challenging coming from a place that wasn't as safety conscious or didn't have the lockout tagout procedures, didn't have the policies. Number one goal for Certainteed Saint-Gobain is safety. Number two is the resources that are available to any employee that works for Certainteed. I worked for 21 years for a company that the only thing I got from the company was a paycheck. Coming to Certainteed with all of the insurances, the health benefits program, 401k, pension, the rewards program. If I wanted to go back to college and get a degree, I could. That was never offered to me before. Manufacturing is a fun place to work on days, and it's a challenging place to work on other days. Put the time in, do the hard work. They will take care of you. Certainteed's a really good place to work.